Well, this is certainly one very impressive Arctic outbreak. Thanks for clicking on to the Saturday edition of Vogan's European Outlook. We're talking about temperatures now into the upper 20s below zero in parts of southern Poland. And we have been looking at temperatures that haven't been seen across parts of Europe since the mid and late 80s, the late 90s. Archangel was minus 41 yesterday morning, the coldest temperature for January since the outbreak of January 1999. But isn't this such a strikingly similar type of upper pattern and lower level pattern to back in 2011-12, when we of course seen mild conditions across the British Isles here, pumping in Atlantic air, while we're talking about a severe Arctic outbreak that is penetrating all the way into the Balkan Peninsula. We're going to be talking about record level temperatures here, folks, and snowfall all the way down to the Mediterranean coast. Look at these temperatures. Central Italy, minus 16 at the moment. We're talking about minus 5s, minus 6s, right along the Balkan coast here. So right along the Adriatic shoreline here, we're talking about temperatures well below freezing, minus 10 in northern parts of Iberia. And once again, we're talking about mid to upper minus 40s in parts of Russia this morning. So you can see here that in the wake of the heavy snowfall across central and eastern parts of Europe, we're seeing that dislodge of bitterly cold air over that fresh snow cover. It's going to be interesting later on this morning to see just how low those values get. Places like Moscow only seen a high of minus 25 yesterday. So this is an impressive Arctic outbreak, that's for sure, for across Europe here. So you can see here off the GFS, this is the 5-day mean, 850 millibar temperature anomaly. And the next 5 days, we're going to be talking about a continuation of above normal temperatures at 5,000 feet, while at the same time we're talking about severe cold anchored over the Balkan Peninsula here, right centered over this region. And like I say, temperatures are going to be at record levels. We're going to be talking parts of Bosnia Herzegovina, Serbia, Romania, Bulgaria. We're going to be talking about temperatures that are probably below minus 30 in some prone cold spots here. So this is a big deal here. But for folks here across the UK, you're saying to yourself, when are we going to see any type of winter? I know it's a frustrating pattern, and like I said, in recent times, this is was always a concern that this 2011-2012 pattern could take shape as we go into the heart of winter here, where we have milder air over the UK and a large swathe of cold air over Europe. And that's exactly what we're seeing. But the GFS ensemble is indicating that by the time we get out to the 6 to 10 day, which takes us out to the middle part of January here, this is between the 11th and the 16th, and we are talking about colder than normal temperatures at 5,000 feet. Notice here that the core of the cold is now starting to shift further west, and this is something I've alluded to as well. So this could be something promising as we go forward. Finally, the 11 to 15 day here off the same model, you can see here that it is indicating colder times for western parts of Europe, and it is indicating we're blocking to the west of the UK with more trough, rather than being centered over the Balkan Peninsula, is more over towards the western end of the continent here. So there is still light at the end of this tunnel. Hope you have a great day, and I'll be back again in the next few days. Bye for now.